What's something people don't know about Windows 11 24H2? WMIC isn't there by default anymore, but with these quick steps, you can bring it right back. WMIC, the Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line tool, is missing in Windows 11 24H2, but you can add it back fast. Here's method 1. Using settings. Press the Windows key and I together to open settings. Click on System, then Optional Features. Hit Add an optional feature, then View Features. Type WMIC in the search box, select it, click Next, then Install. Wait a minute for it to finish. Done. Prefer the command line? Right-click the Start button and open Windows Terminal as admin. Copy and paste. DISM, Online, Add Capability, Name, WMIC. Hit Enter, and WMIC will install automatically. No restart needed, just open Command Prompt and type WMIC OS to check it works. Remember, WMIC is old tech and may be removed for good soon. Microsoft recommends switching to PowerShell tools like GetSim Instance for better performance and security.